Hey there, my name is Mitchell Kass. I'm a local realtor here in West Milford, but I like to think of myself as more of a neighbor. I know this town like the back of my hand. I know the quiet roads, the best fishing spots. West Milford is a truly special place to call home. It's filled with beautiful lakes, deep woods, wide open skies. It feels like you're a million miles away from all the noise. You get that real sense of a getaway. But the best part, you're not that far at all. We're just a stone's throw from New York City, perfect for people who want the best of both worlds. The lakes are the real heart and soul of West Milford. The water here is calm, clean, and inviting. It's where we spend our summers. Quiet winter afternoons. People are always out fishing, paddling, walking along the shore. Each lake has its own unique personality. Echo Lake is a popular spot for a quiet day, a lovely little hiking trail with peaceful water views, not too strenuous, an easy walk to clear your head. Then you've got the big one, Greenwood Lake, large and absolutely gorgeous. Check out Jeremy Glick's overlooks for the best views. Panoramic vistas stretching over the water. Butler Reservoir, tucked inside Pshawa Preserve. Great for fishing, great for nature study. Water so still, it perfectly reflects the sky. A place to connect with the quiet of woods and water, a true local treasure. Dunker Pond, Buckabear Pond, Cedar Pond. Each offers a different experience. Monksville Reservoir, favorite with trails along the water. Spend a whole day exploring the shoreline. Clinton Reservoir, amazing views, especially from watershed hikes. You're never far from water here, a calming presence, a lifestyle, a playground, and our sanctuary, central to our community's identity. If you love to hike, then West Milford is your paradise. I'm not kidding. This area has more than 100 miles of marked trails. We're in the Jersey Highlands, which means we have some real elevation. Some of our hills rise over 1,000 feet, higher than you'll find in most places in this region. Trails wind through dense forests, up rocky ledges, to some of the most amazing viewpoints you've ever seen. Every hike is an adventure. Pick a different path every weekend and never get bored. An endless backyard to explore. One must-do is the Bearfort Mountain Fire Tower. The climb is worth every step. From the top, you get incredible 360-degree views. On a really clear day, you can see Manhattan in the distance, a powerful reminder of how close you are. Highlands Preserve is fantastic. Several well-marked trails, great for family walks, and yes, leashed dogs. Pshawa Preserve offers about 5 miles of blazed trails for hiking, mountain biking, and even horseback riding. Beautiful mixed hardwoods, deer, and birds, total immersion in nature. The Highlands Trail runs through here, and a slice of the Appalachian Trail passes by before New York. In spring, rhododendrons and mountain laurel bloom. In fall, the reds, oranges, and golds are out of this world. Hiking here is a way of life, how we stay active, connect with nature, and appreciate where we live. Now, it's important to talk about how we keep all this nature so beautiful. Some of our best spots are on protected land. That means a few rules to follow. For example, some places require a permit to access. The Newark watershed manages land around reservoirs like Echo Lake and Clinton Reservoir. To hike these areas, you'll need an annual permit. It's a simple process. Call the watershed office or stop by their Echo Lake Road building. Permits protect our drinking water and keep visitors safe. They fund trail work and ensure the land stays healthy. Patrols help everyone follow the rules. Before you go, do a quick permit check. A small step that makes a big difference. Pshawa is a joint project between New Jersey Conservation Foundation and Passaic County. You'll see a deer exclosure, fencing that lets young trees grow and wildlife thrive. Living here, you become a steward. Pack out what you pack in, stay on marked trails, and respect the rules that protect what we love. Life in West Milford is an outdoor life. There's always something to do, every season. With all our lakes, water activities are huge. Quiet morning fishing, kayaking, and canoeing on calm water and on Greenwood Lake, motorboats, water skiing, tubing. High energy in summer, or a quiet cove to float and relax. Something for every mood. Hiking and birdwatching are year-round, with endless trail choices. Tackle the steep ledges to Jeremy Glick's overlooks for a big payoff, or choose flatter, easier paths at Highlands Preserve. Upshawa's multi-use trails welcome hikers, bikers, and horseback riders. In fall, leaf peeping brings spectacular highlands color. In winter, sledding and snowshoeing, and the woods after fresh snow are magical. Clean, crisp air, serene frozen lakes. It's not all high energy. Picnics, teaching kids trees and bird calls, simple time outside. Even watching a storm roll over the hills feels special. It's a backdrop for a healthier, more grounded, more fulfilling lifestyle. It's a community of people who love being outside. One of the biggest questions is getting around. Let me be straight. You really need a car here. It's the best way to reach trailheads, lakes, and the hidden gems. Public transit is limited, so plan carefully if you rely on it. From the grocery store to a tucked-away trail, a car is freedom. We're well connected by major highways. Hop on I-287 or I-87, the New York Thruway. Depending on traffic, it's about 45 to 90 minutes to Manhattan. Plenty commute to the city, then come home to Highlands Peace, a trade-off that works. You can pop in for dinner, a Broadway show, or a museum. You're not isolated. Ideal if you're transitioning from city life but keeping ties, more space, nature, and lower costs. While we may not have wineries or farm stands in town, it's a short drive to Warwick's orchards and pumpkin patches. Explore Skylands towns, all of North Jersey and southern New York. And at day's end, you come back to quieter roads and brighter stars over West Milford. So what does it really feel like to live here? Like you're on a permanent vacation. The pace is slower, people are friendlier, and neighborhoods have great variety. You can find beautiful lakefront homes with private docks, incredible water views. Coffee over the lake? Dream come true. Or choose a quiet woods home with trails right outside your door. Strong community feel, neighbors know each other, markets, festivals, a wonderful place to raise a family. Backyards that open to forests and lakes. A town with strong identity and pride. If you're thinking of moving, West Milford has the total package. Nature at your doorstep, quiet streets, starry nights, and those lake views. Plus easy access to the city for work and play. It's practical. You don't have to sacrifice your career or urban connections. For families, the outdoors is a natural classroom. For water and woods lovers, it's second to none. I'm Mitchell Kass. I know the roads, the trails, the neighborhoods, the best sunset spots, and I can help you find that perfect lake house.